Sometimes finding clamping solutions to hold down your workpieces here at the drill press can be a bit of a challenge. And that's where these commercially available hold downs come in really handy. They just have a bolt that fits into the T-track and then a knob that you can tighten down, and it holds that workpiece in place. The only problem is these commercially available hold downs can be kind of expensive for what they are. But a good solution is just to make your own. And you can do that with a scrap piece of wood. You just drill a slotted hole at the top, and then you can cut out the shape here on the scrap at the bandsaw. And then with a little sanding and filing, you just need to add your threaded knob and bolt, and you have a great shop-made hold down. You can find a link to the plans and template to make your own shop-made hold down below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding new tips and great woodworking videos. So hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.